Going back to what Ratos said, frame layout, linear layout, and relative layout are three of the most common layouts you'll use in building out your UI. These all descend from the view group class, designed to contain and give order to child views. They each have their strengths, and you should always try to use the simplest layout that will get the job done. Frame layout is great for simple layouts when you only have one child view, like a list view that fills the entire content area. Linear layout is perfect for stacking views vertically or horizontally, one after another. It is also the only way to break up the display proportionately. Relative layout is powerful, but a bit more complicated compared to the others. Throw a bunch of views inside a relative layout, and then you can configure each view's position relative to the parent, the relative layout, or to sibling views. Tons of possibilities. We'll explore these layouts in greater detail when we build more complex screens. For now, let's get back to building our forecast list.